To add an alarm on your Garmin Tactix or Garmin Fenix, press and hold the menu button just right here and then go down to clocks. Then select with that button and go up to alarms. Actually, as you can see, there is no alarm because there is no alarm. So if I select just right here, add alarm, I can select the time that I want to have an alarm. So let's set the next one, let's say at 5:30. And then save. So now I've got an alarm at 5:30. If I press here, it's off, and if I press here, it's on. Now if I want to have more option about it, I can come down here on the pen to say edit, and then select that alarm. So the status is on or off. I can edit the time just right here, and the repeat option, which is probably the one you're looking for, is actually at off. So this means on the alarm done its job, it goes to off. So this means there will be no repeat. It can go up to daily, weekdays, weekend, or custom. So if I go on custom, I can select every day I want it. So if, by example, it's only for Wednesday and Friday, well, it will be for only those 2 days. And now if I want to set them to off, I can come back here to set them to off. And then you got sounds. This will be a tone and vibration, but you can have only a vibration or only a tone. And then do you want the backlight to turn on? And you can also label that that name. So is it training, mediate, bedtime, known, or yeah, that's what you can choose. Or just no label. And finally, if you don't want it in your list anymore, you can delete it. And that's pretty much that's it. You can come back here to the alarm menu and back to the main page. So this is it. Thank you for watching. I hope it helps. If yes, please smash the like button. If you are planning to buy this watch, you can see my link in the description. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can find me back easily next time you need help. If you want to see my other tutorial about this watch, you can see my playlist just right here. And you can also find me on my main channel just right there. Thank you for watching. Take care and see ya.